Cat's eye gemstone. Meaning, origin and color often termed as Cymophane, its name is derived from Greek vocabulary meaning appearance or wave. The topmost sources are Burma, Brazil, India, and Sri Lanka. The range of colors of this unique stone are: healing properties. Physically, cures mouth cancer. Relief in stress. Improves night vision. Emotionally, disperses negative energy. Proffers fortification. Restores lost esteem. Spiritually, safeguards from secret enemy. Brings affluence. Helps in attaining spirituality in life. Cat's eye jewelry at Gemexi.